Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture I will discuss a house planning in the dimensions of 40 by 60 feet. I designed this house plan for one of my clients, so if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Guys, you can see here, this is ground floor and this is roadside. Guys, you can see clearly this is roadside. So this is main gate, which width is up to 13 feet. Guys, you can see three sides are open. Okay, its width is 6 feet. Okay, this is open to sky, and back is 3 feet. Okay, this is side is also 3 feet. Okay, and front lawn is 11 feet. Guys, you when you enter by this main gate, so the first one you can see this is car porch. Okay, these are steps for this main lobby. You can see the stair is going for the first floor. Guys, you can see this is stair hall. So the first one, guys, you can see here, this is a TV lounge. Size of this TV lounge is 16 feet 9 inches by 18 feet 6 inches. This is exit door to this open sky. Okay, this is the first bedroom. Size of this bedroom is, you can see clearly, 16 by 14 feet, and this is its dress. This is bath. Size is 8 by 5 feet. As you can see on the first floor, you can see this is a chajja design. Next, guys, you can see this is the second bedroom. Size, you can see clearly, 16 by 14 feet, and this is its dress. This is bath. You can see the windows. Next, guys, you can see at the front side, you can see this is a kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 9 feet 8 inches by 10 feet. This is its window. Okay, next, guys, you can see with this kitchen, this is attached store. Size is 5 feet by 10 feet, and this is exit door. Okay, so this is a small and short video lecture. So this is a short video lecture to guide you about house planning and the dimensions of 40 by 60 feet. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.